Undertaking a cleanup project in Niagara Falls, Ontario, requires a streamlined approach to waste removal. Introducing Mini Binz, your trusted partner for exceptional dumpster rental in Niagara Falls, Ontario. We understand that waste disposal can be a significant obstacle during any project. At Mini Binz, we offer diverse dumpster sizes to perfectly suit your needs, ensuring a smooth and stress-free waste removal process. Whether you're embarking on a home renovation project, tackling a seasonal yard cleanup, or simply decluttering your property, Mini Binz provides the ideal-sized dumpster to accommodate your waste disposal requirements. Mini Binz goes the extra mile to ensure your project's success. We offer convenient delivery and pickup services, eliminating the burden of managing waste transportation logistics. Our commitment to exceptional service extends beyond just supplying dumpsters. We prioritize clear communication and a user-friendly experience. Check our website at www.minibinz.ca. Dumpster Rental Niagara Falls ON, which allows for a quick and convenient reservation process. Alternatively, contact our friendly team at 905-378-3381 for personalized assistance. For a reliable and efficient dumpster rental experience in Niagara Falls, Ontario, choose Mini Binz.